Welcome. If you've ever wanted to stop certain websites from running those hidden interactive scripts that slow down your browser or invade your privacy, this quick guide will show you exactly how to block sites from running JavaScript on Chrome. Let's begin. First, open Chrome on your device. You can do this from your desktop, laptop, or mobile. The steps are nearly identical. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three small dots stacked on top of each other. That's the menu button. Tap or click on it. From the drop-down list, select Settings. This will open Chrome's main settings page, where you can control how websites interact with your browser. Next, scroll down until you find Site Settings and tap it. This section manages permissions for all types of content and features, like cookies, pop-ups, and notifications. But today, we're focusing specifically on JavaScript. After opening Site Settings, look for the option labeled JavaScript. Tap on it, and here's where you'll see the toggle switch that controls whether websites can use JavaScript or not. By default, Chrome allows it because most websites rely on JavaScript for buttons, menus, forms, and animations. To block sites from running JavaScript, simply toggle the switch off. Once turned off, websites will no longer be able to run those background scripts. You'll immediately notice that many pages load faster, although some interactive features may stop working like comment sections, forms, or embedded video.